KT Toshowski with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I'm here today with my client Cynthia, and I'm here to answer all the questions she has to help her through the home buying and selling process.
Hi there. Thanks, KT. I really appreciate the time today. I'm curious what the experience is going to be like for me when I go to a home showing now during the coronavirus pandemic.
So you want to stay safe and you want to keep other people safe as well. So masks are required, as even if it doesn't state on the listing, I would still highly recommend that. Wear your mask, bring that with you, as well as gloves that I will provide, booties, and make sure to use hand sanitizer, limit the amount of places that you touch, and that way you can keep everyone safe.
Great. So now that I plan on listing my home for sale soon, what should I be expecting from you when you're showing my home?
Well, first off, I would have a waiver to ensure that every showing that buyer and that realtor signs that they are safe, they don't have any symptoms or anything. That way, you're not liable for anything, and it will help to keep you safe. As well as, I will require for people to wear masks, booties, have gloves, limit the areas that they touch, and I will provide the gloves, the booties, hand sanitizer, and all that.
Great.
Mm-hmm.
So last question is, what should be my expectations right now as a seller during this pandemic? What are some advantages, I guess, for me?
Well, it's twofold. So first off, the inventory is low. So that gives you an advantage. There's less to choose from, less competition. And I often see that if your home is priced right, oftentimes you end up in a bidding war, which is an advantage to you because you may get over your asking price. And also with buyers, interest rates are at their historic low. So they're not getting, I don't see them ever getting any low than they are now. And, you know, buyers that are savvy are taking advantage of that.
Right. Great. Okay. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You bet.